man.
Uncle, good morning.
Hey, morning, my boy.
Uncle, I want you to help me to do my assignment.
Your assignment?
Yes.
Bring it on.
Uncle, what is the meaning of hotel and motel?
Hotel and motel?
Yes.
You know celebrities?
Yes.
All this whiskey them, Sazu them.
They are the celebrities. You understand me?
Model.
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 People that are really model. Motel is where they stay. Are you with me? They're the hotel. Hotel is where, just as they call it, hot.
Are you playing?
And the
Tail is just like that animal. They said that thing that animal has at the back that looks like rope. Eh? That is where people will go and they make their tail to be hot.
Not be juju be that.
Are you with me?
Uncle, can you help me to spell Christopher?
That's spell Igbo name.
Uncle, it's not an Igbo name now.
Is it?
It's not an Igbo name.
Christopher.
It's an English name.
That is Igbo name. What are you even trying to say?
No, it's not an Igbo name now. It's an English name.
Okay, let me try. Let me try and spell it. It starts with K R I.
God have mercy upon us.
K R I.
Uncle, it's not so. The one my teacher taught me start with CH. But I've forgotten the actual spelling.
It's better you forgot the actual spelling. I'm just telling you that the actual spelling is K-R-O-I and you're doubting.
It's not so.
It's K-R-O-I.
Not so. Let me go and find another person. Not so. Cannot spell it.
Ha. Oh wow. Nke maga preacher.